Welcome to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Today we're making spicy tuna cakes. Coming up. Let's go over the ingredients. 14 ounces of canned tuna, 6 water chestnuts drained and finely sliced, 3 spring onions, 1 teaspoon of fresh root ginger, peeled and grated, 3 tablespoons of cilantro, 1 red chilli, finely chopped, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 2 eggs, vegetable oil for frying, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Drain the tuna and place in a bowl. Use a spoon to separate the chunks. Add the water chestnuts, spring onions, cilantro, ginger, and chili. Season with salt and pepper. Add the fish sauce and the beaten eggs. Mix well. Squeeze in the mixture to tightly compress it and get rid of any excess liquid. Shape them into balls the size of golf balls. Flatten them lightly into patties. Heat a frying pan over medium heat. Add a little bit of oil and fry the fish cakes on each side 1 to 2 minutes or until golden brown. Serve with the dipping sauce. I am creating a dipping sauce by combining tartar sauce and sriracha. However, you may eat this with your favorite sauce. And there you have it, guys. Spicy tuna fish cakes. Enjoy! If you guys enjoyed this recipe, just give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. Consider subscribing. And YouTube wants you to watch these other recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.